Vue 2015 also introduced redesign assets browser, and it will apply to atmosphere, materials, objects, and other properties. So let's go ahead. For example, when we go to atmosphere and we'll click to load atmosphere, you notice we have a new kind of interface, and we can modify and access this to specific ways. So right here we have a different tab, and currently photometric is selected, and we can go over each and preview a little bit larger atmosphere, which is nicer. We can search to this current menu. We can select different, and if you have it more than just one collection subfolders, like for example inside the effect, you'll notice we have it main and we have it those collections inside. So you will still have it kind of like tree browser if it's your collection or what new you're creating contain more than one. You can also modify those icons by increasing them in view size or making them smaller. It depends on your screen resolution and also if you like. Okay, let's go ahead and, for example, if I want to create new, I just click plus. I need browse to my atmospheres as example, and I can create new folder. The one thing, well, you notice when we created a new one, it does take all of the subfolders, so it will have it all our properties. In some cases, if you want to just create one general, you can create one on top. Same with object and materials, and you can easily access all of those properties, so you don't need just go through the browser and try to find. This is one way to create a collection, kind of small tip, so you can access them. You also have it properties to set as a favorites, recently used if you access to any of them, and you can also manual browse, like what I created collection. We can click and same way access to the normal browser. However, you notice through the browser kind of give it preview, but not as the big or extensive like other ones, because right here we have a little bit more information about what is about, the descriptions, and slightly bigger kind of picture to preview. So again, that is partially interfaces. You can also enable the browser tab. What you like preview, use it system browsers as before, single click, and all these properties. We'll look on this a little bit later when we're going inside the file options, so we'll look a little bit more on the Windows customization and adjustment. But overall, here's a kind of introduction to this new assets browsers that will work same thing for other assets inside the Vue 2015.